out here. Like, seeing what's going on out here at the famous Pseudos motorcycle spot. We're going to see what's up with it.
Ride like I never. No. I always wanted to look at it and be like, yeah, I got one. So when the Harley boys pull up,
yeah, I mean, you can say me too.
Yeah, like look, I'm on a rocket.
Well, like for example, where I live in the Bay Area, I rode my Swipe rocket from the Bay to LA. It took me a half hour to stand back up straight again. I'm on the back of I had Ninja 600 at the time.
That's like 5 hours, right?
Yeah. Now it took me a while to stand back up. Now I just ran the whole country with the rare breed, all 48 states, and all rare breed chapters, 25 days straight in June. I wouldn't whoop on at all. We run at 5 to 1,000 miles a day. Gas and go, gas and go, gas and go. Touring bike. You got your music, you got your luggage with you, keeping it moving.
I do like that. I can't sit like a sport bike, but I can sit back and just cruise like and it's a whole lot. It's a different ride. Back hunched over.
Yeah. So when you hunched over, it'll wear on you.
It's like, to me, I feel like you don't see as much. It's like your mindset is already like go.
Your tunnel vision. Yeah. I'm gonna go straight. That's it. Yeah.
Here we go. Hold your hand up in the air so they know. Come up here, baby, so they can see. Come up here. Ain't no, up here, come up here. So ain't no bullshit with that promotions. Ain't none of that. Hold your hand up in the air, spread your fingers, go like this. Let me see you again.
They got your peoples out here. Nice.
Y'all know what it is, man. When I ask y'all to go outside, put your names in that bag and the law might.
Made that, that's an aftermarket variant, but I don't know how old. Nope, it's an old bike. this during a concert? Huh? How long can you run like this?